Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Depop. First, make sure you have an active PayPal account ready to go. Then, open the Depop app on your mobile device and head straight to your profile. From there, we'll navigate into your settings to begin the linking process. It's a straightforward journey, taking just a few moments to set up your preferred payment method for seamless transactions on the platform. Once you're in your Depop profile, look for the settings icon, which often looks like a small gear. Tap on that, and then scroll down until you find the Payments or Payment Methods section. This is where you'll manage all your transaction options. Select the choice to add or link a new payment method to proceed with connecting your PayPal account securely. Now, from the payment options, simply choose PayPal. Depop will then securely redirect you to the official PayPal login page. Here, you'll need to enter your PayPal email address and password to authorize the connection. After successfully logging in and confirming, you'll be sent back to the Depop app, where the link will be finalized. This ensures a safe and verified connection between the two platforms. Congratulations! Your PayPal account is now successfully linked to Depop. This connection provides secure transactions and offers both buyer and seller protection, giving you peace of mind. You'll receive payments directly into your PayPal account for all your sales, making the process incredibly efficient. This integration truly streamlines your entire buying and selling experience on Depop, making it easier than ever.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.